Everyone knows how to use Countif, but we can use it on numbers. That's the catch here. Let's see first the simple Countif, and we use Countif to count the range, count a product or a alphabet or a word, that how many times it is appearing in the range. For example, I have taken this range and I'm going to find where is written pen. So it will give me the number that how many times pen is appearing in the range, and enter. It's 4 times. Let's do it again. First we have to select the range, then comma, and with comma we go to the next parameter. These call are parameter. So first we have to select the range, then criteria. How we can put the criteria? Either we can put in inverted commas, or we can select a cell in which we are going to write. So I have taken this cell, and if I write pen here, it will show me the count of pen. And if I write scale here, it will show me the count of scale. In this case, both are 4. Let's do another one. Eraser. It is 3. All right. Now comes to the numbers. If I want to count the numbers which are greater than 33, so I can use this function, countif function. Countif. Just a second. Countif. I have to take the range. After taking the range, I can use inverted commas and I can put greater than sign, greater than 33. So it will not include the 33, but it will count the numbers which are greater than 33. So it will count 55, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. So there are 7 digits which are greater than 33.